Hello everyone, now we have to discuss and derive the average and RMS values of different standard waveforms. Total we have 7 types of standard waveforms. For that we have to derive average, RMS, form factor and peak factor. So, first one is sine wave. Considering voltage waveform, we are deriving these quantities with respect to voltage waveform, right. So, this is sine wave, right. This is t with respect to time period. Here I am calculated. Okay. This is V. Okay. This is sine wave. This is what? Second one. That is, if you provide like this, this is t by 2 or t. This is t. This is full wave rectified sine wave, right. Coming to this waveform, this is t, this is t by 2, this is t, this is 3t by 2. So, this is half wave rectified sine wave. This is third one, half wave rectified sine wave. So, we have derived for this the average value is what? 2 V m by pi or 2 I m by pi. So, what is RMS value? V m by root 2. What is form factor for sine wave? That is 1.11. What is peak factor? 1.414. That is it. So, we have derived for this sine wave, clear. Then third one complete. Fourth one is square wave. Square wave, that is or rectangular wave. Okay. This is t, this is t by 2, this is t, clear. Next, fifth one, type of square wave, that is square wave with positive half cycle, with positive half cycle. Okay. That is only we have positive part. Okay. This is t, this is t by 2, this is t, this is 0. Okay. Next, sixth one, sawtooth. Sawtooth waveform. That is this is sawtooth, this is t by 2, t, 3t by 2. Next, seventh one, triangular wave. Okay. Here only I am considering only positive half cycle. This is triangular. You can considering positive as well as negative also. Okay. So, these are the 7 standard waveforms. Here we have calculated for the sine wave earlier, that is 2 V m by pi, V m by root 2, 1.11, 1.414 as the different values. Now, we have to calculate among these 7. Now, I have to calculate only considering only one waveform and calculate different values. Here I am considering sawtooth. We will go with sawtooth and calculate average RMS, peak factor and form factor. Let us calculate the average RMS, peak as well as form factor for sawtooth waveform. Okay. Considering sawtooth waveform, sawtooth waveform. Right. So, for this is what Vm, this is for example voltage waveform, this is Vm, right. This is 0, this is t, this is 2t, this is 3t, this is the time period. You can consider this is t by 2, this is t, this is 3t by 2, no problem at all. Whatever may be the time period, we will get the same answer. There is no confusion at all. Okay. So, what is this point? This point is what? 0, 0, right? This point is what? Consider this t axis is nothing but x, v is nothing but y. That is why 0, t. So, 0 is nothing but depends what time, this 0 depends what voltage. So, at this point the vertex is what 0, 0. At this point, what about the value t, what is the voltage Vm, right? Now, we have to get the equation for this straight line, then only we have to calculate the value of average, RMS, form factor, peak factor, right. So, from here to here we have one waveform, like that from t to 2t we have the similar waveform, from 2 to 3t we have the similar waveform. That is why we have to considering only from 0 to t only. Okay. Therefore, if we have for example 0, 0, 0, t, Vm. So, from this V minus 0 which is equals to Vm by t into what is t minus 0, right. So, from this V is equals to Vm by t into t, we got this equation. This is the voltage value, this is the corresponding voltage equation for this sawtooth waveform. For sinusoidal wave, we have what? V is equals to Vm sin omega t. With respect to what omega t axis, we have this Vm sin omega t, but here we have to represent this waveform with respect to t only. That is why we got Vm by t into t. This is for sine wave, this is for sawtooth wave. Clear? Then what is the average value? V average, which is equals to 1 by time period. What is the time period here? We have to consider t, that is 1 by t integral 0 to t V dt, right. Simply it is nothing but V dt. Clear? Therefore, V average which is equals to 1 by t integral, have to calculate average So, 0 to t as it is, what is the value of V? Vm by t into t, Vm by t into t dt, t with respect to t, right. So, Vm by t is constant, therefore, V average is equals to Vm by t square integral 0 to t dt, which is equals to what? Vm by t square. Integration of t is nothing but what? T square by 2, right. What are the limits? 0 to t. If we substitute this, we have to get Vm by t square into simply t square minus 0. We have sorry 2 is there, no, by 2 by 2, this is 0 as it is, no problem. So, from this we got what, Vm by 2, right. V average is equals to Vm by 2. So, like this RMS value we have to calculate, that is Vrms, that is 1 by time period square root of 0 to t V square dt, right, equals to 1 by t as it is 0 to t. What is the value of V? Vm by t into t, that is Vm square by t square into t square dt, right. So, Vrms is equals to square by t cube, this is t cube by 3, integrations or limits are 0 to t. So, from this Vrms is equals to Vm square by t cube, after substitution we have t cube by 3, that is it. So, t cube d cube gets cancelled. From this Vrms is equals to Vm square by 3, right. Therefore, Vrms is equals to Vm by root 3, clear. So, we have RMS values of Vm by root 3. Like that, form factor. So, like that we have to calculate form factor, that is RMS by average. What is the value of RMS? That is form factor. RMS is what? Vm by root 3 into by Vm by 2, that is 2 by Vm, which is equals to 2 by root 3. Therefore, form factor is equals to 1.15. Clear. Next, peak factor, that is peak value by RMS. What is the value of peak Vm by RMS is what? Vm by root 3 into root 3 by Vm, right. So, we got peak factor is equals to root 3, that is it, 1.732. So, like this we have to calculate the average value, RMS value, form factor, peak factor for any waveform, that is it. This is the only example I have considered here. Okay. Like this you have to calculate for square wave, triangular wave, different waveforms. Okay. See, we are calculated the values of average, RMS, form factor and peak factor for this sawtooth waveform, right. So, we got what is average value, that is Vm by 2, right. What about RMS, that is Vm by root 3, clear. What about form factor, that is RMS by average, that is Vm by root 3 by Vm by 2, that is 2 by root 3, which is nothing but 1.15. What about peak factor, that is maximum value by RMS, that is Vm by root 3, that is root 3. So, like this we have to calculate for this remaining 5 waveforms, that is full rectified sine wave, half rectified sine wave, square wave with positive half cycle for triangular wave. So, you have to do the same procedure. We are calculating the sawtooth waveform different values, right. So, you are doing the same for this remaining waveforms. So, for the remaining waveforms we got for this triangular wave, we got the average value should be equals to Vm by 2 only. RMS is nothing but Vm by root 3 only. So, this is 1.15, this is root 3. If you have any doubt, just cross check by calculating these different values. Okay. Next, square wave with positive half cycle. We have to get this value Vm by 2 as average, Vm by root 2 as RMS, then form factor RMS by average, Vm by root 2 by Vm by 2, that is 2 by root 2, that is root 2, 1.414. What about form factor, sorry, peak factor? Vm by root 2, that is also 1.414, clear. Then coming to this square wave, that is we have average value is nothing but Vm only, RMS is also Vm. What about form factor? 1, this is 1. Okay. So, see here 0 to t by 2, t by 2 t, that is same as square wave. So, this is average value for half wave, half cycle, or for half cycle. We will get 0 for full cycle. If you have any doubt, just calculate the average value for this square wave, right. So, average is what? Vm for full half cycle, like that RMS is Vm, that is for full cycle. Form factor is equals to 1, peak factor is equals to 1. Like that, for this half wave rectified sine wave, we got the average value, that is Vm by pi only, that is half wave, right. This is Vm by 2, this is 1.57, and this is Vm by 2, that is 2, right. Coming to this, same as this sine wave, that is Vm by root 2, this is 1.11, this is 414. So, these are the 7 standard periodic waveforms. For this, we have to calculate the different values of average, RMS, form factor as well as peak factor. Okay. Now, we have to discuss very important note point. Note, if for example, the waveform representation is V is equals to V naught plus V1 sin omega t plus V3, or we should write omega naught V5 up to so on, they are having same frequency. Therefore, the average value of V average is nothing but V naught only. Therefore, V average is nothing but V naught. Like that, V RMS, what is the meaning of root mean square? That is square root of V naught square. This is nothing but average, right. This is maximum value, right. This is also maximum value. That is why Vm by root 2 whole square plus V3 by root 2 whole square, like that. Therefore, we have to write V naught square plus V1 square by 2 plus V3 square by 2. This is nothing but RMS value, right. So, this is average value, this is RMS. If the waveform representation is like this, then you have to calculate the average value like this and the RMS value like this. Okay.